जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं.
So beautiful to live, honoring time, knowing that time is a life energy. It's an independent intelligence. Kala Bhairava. Yes. Now we will work on the thought current of fear, the being center. We will work on the being center, the thought current of fear. When there is a constant hangover of fear and insecurity inside you, your swadhisthana, your being center collapses. Please understand. Inauthenticity with your being is responsible for the hangover of fear. Please understand this word. Inauthenticity with your being means if your being is not integrated authentically, hangover of fear remains in you. What is fear, you know? Whenever you utter a word to yourself, the incomplete part of you which is sitting inside you, making fun of you, mockery of you, is fear. There is a big chunk of you, incomplete you, which does not have a confidence over any word you utter to you, because many times you failed, you were out of integrity with you. All of you understand? Listen. Because many times you are out of integrity with you, one chunk of you does not believe you, does not trust you. So whenever you make any word, any plan, that part makes fun of you, mocks at you. That mockery is fear. That mockery is hangover of fear. How many of you are able to immediately vibrate with this truth? Great. If you are able to cognize with this statement, you got it. You just got it. Inauthentic with your integrity. I wanted you to understand, in the last session I used the word out of integrity. Now I am using the word inauthentic with your integrity. What's the difference? Out of integrity means not honoring the words and thoughts you gave it to yourself and others. Inauthentic with integrity means honoring the words and thoughts you give it to you and others, but doing it in a very limited way. You can always say, I will work 1 hour per day. And Be very integrated with it. But you are not authentic with your integrity. Understand? Authentic with your integrity means authentically stretching what far integrity is brought in your life to increase livability, life. But if you are not making the livability happen in your life using integrity as a tool, you are not authentic to it. I'll give you the example. I have seen some of the brahmacharis very integrated to coming for morning yoga, including me. But not authentic, means they don't do it intensely. They only commit for coming. They are not committing for doing. What for? The integrity lesson. To enrich your life. When you are inauthentic with your integrity means you follow the integrity to the letter but not the spirit. The fear hangover settles in your system. Each time you utter the words, without being authentic to your possibility, you encourage the hangover of fear pattern in you. I can also be very integrated by not committing to this night program. It would have been a high integrity, no problem. I can say, no, I am already working for a whole day. What is there? Come on, leave it. I'll do only daytime program. That can be integrity, but that will not be authenticity. Authentic to my integrity. What far integrity is brought into my life? To stretch me, to expand the livability, life. If I don't commit to this night program and retain my integrity, that will only be just following the integrity to the letter, not to the spirit. But I stretch myself, commit, which I think I cannot, but even with that, I honor my integrity, is following, living the integrity with the spirit. I tell you, go on committing with things which you think you cannot do. And go on breaking the hangover you carry in your heart, you can't make it. That is the only way you will stretch beyond fear. Please listen. Go on committing which you think you can't complete, you can't fulfill. But go on, honor it with integrity. It's a lifestyle. But the moment you decide to do it, it will become your style. The moment you decide, I'm going to do it, nobody who lives around me, even in their nightmares, would have imagined. Suddenly one day I will declare, I am going to keep up with integrity with the time and do it. Because everybody knows I live out of time. I just live in a different space. They would have never imagined I'll fit myself so beautifully with the watch of one country. Because I fit myself with the watch of the cosmos, they thought I will not be able to fit. But I decided, no. The initial level of authenticity peak of integrity and beginning of authenticity. That is what is the way to open the being center. Peak of integrity, beginning of authenticity means integrity to the letter and spirit. Is opening the way to awaken Kundalini energy in your being center. Each time you utter a word and do not honor and fulfill them, you are leaving incomplete space in you. All that incomplete space gathers as a chunk and keeps a deep insecurity about your existence to you. I can give you 100 examples. If you have committed, I'll again give you the example of this yoga or kriya or puja. If you committed and did not honor, when you commit to a job, you will have that same incompletion expressing as an insecurity, saying, why are you taking this job? You think you will be able to win it. You think you will be able to be successful. That is why I tell you, think consciously, speak consciously, utter authentic words, utterly authentic words, and honor them with integrity.